So today I'll be unboxing this Brother HL-L2405W printer so you get a better idea what's included in the box and also what is not included. So let's get started. So over here we have a small document. We have the ink toner that comes included. On the left side we have the power cable, pretty basic one. We also have in this pouch a quick starting guide to know how to input the ink cartridge and also how to connect it. And then we have the printer. This is how it looks. At first we need to remove all the blue tape over here before starting using it. On the top left corner we have the control panel with all the buttons that will help you navigate through the menus. I know the screen is quite small, but since this printer does not have that many features, this is pretty okay. Then on the front here we have the envelope input in case you want to print on envelopes. This is where it goes, and you can adjust how big is your envelope. Then we have the paper input, where you're going to input all the paper inside of the printer. And we have the output. This is where everything comes out. And if you're printing on envelopes or small paper, you're going to have to open this small flap. If not, you can open this one over here so the paper does not come falling down. You're going to have your USB connection. This printer does not come with a USB cable included in the box. As you saw, you'll have to purchase one separately if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi. And on the other side, we have the connection port for the power cable. But overall, this is it. This is what comes included in the box: the printer, the power cable, the ink toner, and some documentation. There's no other cables included. If you want to get this printer from Amazon, I'll put links in the description down below. Every time you go through them, you support my channel since I get a very small commission. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.